Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to move email subscribers from Moosend to Beehiiv. So, once you are on the home page, click on Audience and go to the email list. Click on Your Email List and on the left side here, click on View All Members. Now, you can see the list of all email subscribers. Just copy the email address of the subscriber that you want to move on to Beehiiv. And go to Beehiiv. On the left side here, in the dashboard menu, click on Audience and go to Subscribers. Now, on the top right here, click on Import Subscribers. Then click on Start New Import. In Import Method, select Copy and paste a list of email addresses. Now, you can import a list of emails here. I have only one email. Then click on Import Subscribers. Once again, click on Import. Then go back to the subscriber list and you can see that subscriber has been successfully added. Thanks for watching our video.